Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing. Well, more sales going on, so let's do more unboxing and let's see what I get today. This is the packaging, and you probably can tell this is a bag from KMM. I didn't expect to get another bag from KMM so soon, but they were having a sale, so blame the sales and enjoy life. The reason I decided to get another of their Tote because they made some changes recently, so I thought I would try it out and see what's the difference. Open it up as usual. It's packed and wrapped with paper. Let me take it out. This is probably just a receipt. And this is what came today. This is their new color called Oak. I thought I have all the color I need, but when I look at this color, immediately I fell in love with this color, this chocolate brown color. This would be another perfect brown tone bag to add into my collection. The reason I wanted to get this because they changed the way how they attach the crossbody strap. Instead of having a grommet punch a hole, now you have this D-ring attached to the side. A lot of people have been requesting this feature and they listened and they decided to switch over, have this new design on their tote bag. For the older version, you see this grommet and you see a hole here. So having this kind of design is on one on each side, but it's kind of asymmetrical because it's not central. Compared to this design, it's more at the center here so that things could look more even. Originally, I tried to tell them to switch the strap color to black color. I thought the brown with black would look really good, but then if I switch the strap color, they probably would switch the D-ring color as well. I'm just not sure a black tab on the side would look great. So I ended up, I just go along with their original color. Since this is one of their newer color, I'm not familiar with this kind of leather, but looking at it, it looks like a smooth leather and pretty thick as well. I would say medium to thick leather. Has some weight to it, not the lightest bag, which is what I usually like, some thicker leather tote bag. And as usual, I have them install the snap button closure to keep my stuff secure. In case you are not familiar with KMM tote bag, they have this leather strap loop here inside on one side, and then on the other side they have this slip pocket. If you haven't watched my last KMM full collection video, I will link it in my description. I do think that I have too many KMM tote bags and I really need to slow down in adding more KMM totes into my collection because I'm running out of space. I really need to go through, maybe start selling some or give it to my friends since holiday season is coming up. I'm very impressed with this new color. Nothing like what I have in my collection. If you are interested, go check out KMM tote bag. This one is very supple and substantial. I'll use it and break it in and see it develop its own unique texture on this smooth leather tote bag. I have a lot more unboxing coming up, so if you are interested in seeing more unboxing videos, feel free to subscribe and I'll talk to you again soon. See you, bye!